Hi you guys, excuse my hair. It's time for a hair update, okay? So I just took my hair out of box braids. I had knotless braids in my hair for a little bit over a month. It was like a month and some days, okay? Which is the longest I've ever kept any protective style in my hair, to be honest. Like, this is record, okay? This is a record. But nonetheless, I just took these braids out and I wanted to check and see where my hair is, because you guys seen my last video when I cut my hair, and that was actually the middle of May, maybe like the second week of May. Now it's August 1st, so it's been like 2 months and a half now since I've cut my hair. I'm already noticing the growth, like just taking my hair out of the braids. I'm like, yeah. So just to let you guys know what I've been doing with my hair. When I first cut it, I rocked out the wash and go, to be honest. Like, the way she did it lasted me like a week. Washed it out, you know. I've done some co-washes since, and then just kept rocking the wash and goes. I did some straight backs on just my natural hair, and then like added a ponytail to the back, because yeah, I didn't have nothing to rock for a ponytail for real. So like added Marley hair to the back of that. And then after I got tired of doing my hair, because I'm like, wait a minute, like, this is actually work. To have short hair is to work hard. Like, I actually have to do my hair every single day, which I knew was gonna be a reality, but man, okay. So I sat in people's chair and I got some knotless braids done, and you guys seen the short too. If you haven't seen the short, go ahead and watch that YouTube short. But I went ahead and got some knotless braids, and that lasted me for some time. And yeah, I'm just not taking it out, and my hair feels full. We're gonna find out, because I haven't even detangled it yet, so I might lose hair. We don't even know what's gonna happen here. But like, when they were doing my braids, even though I kind of already knew too, I have like some breakage in the middle of my hair, what they were telling me. And I know it's because most of the time when I do my hair, I do a lot of middle parts. So I'm going to try to avoid doing that, which is why today I'm doing a hair mask. So I'm doing a treatment in my hair, and this has like avocado in it, 1 large egg. I put mayonnaise in it, olive oil. I use my hair oil, which has like a number of different oils in it. Like, you can kind of see. Oh, can you see? Yeah, it's like a number of different oils mixed in here. I also put it in. I also included Biotin, so I took just 1 pill, which I usually do when I do hair masks. I did 1 pill, cracked it open, let the powder go inside of the mask. I think that's about it. Yeah, for the most part. That's what I put in that mask, and I'm gonna go ahead and treat it. There's another section of my hair that I was praying that would grow back, because when I did a U-part wig, maybe, I think you guys seen it. You guys seen it in the Get Ready With Me that I did for the wedding. That U-part wig, I don't know what I did. I don't know if it was the flat iron or the combs itself, but it like broke a section of my hair. So like this part, it looks like this right now. Even this is not even all of it. I mean, well, so it was like this section that I was like, yo, where's my hair? Because it was literally this short. Now it's all the way here, which, you know, it's coming back because it's making its way to, you know, but that was a whole thing in itself. But my hair is making a comeback, and we love to see it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just start with this hair treatment, because it's late at night. Don't know why I love to record videos late at night, but here we are, because it needs to get done, and tomorrow is gonna be a long, busy day. So yeah, I talked a lot. I'm so sorry. Y'all are probably like, come on, get on with the hair stuff. All right, let's speed up. And this is one side. I'm gonna come back to y'all when my whole head is full of this, and then I can cover and prep my hair for like 20 minutes in it. Okay, so I spread this all throughout my hair, and I'm going to just probably do 2 big twists and put it under a plastic bag. wait like 15 to 20 minutes, no more than 20 minutes, because you got to remember, like, I put an egg in my hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes and wash this out. All right, so I just finished washing my hair. Actually, my girl washed my hair for me. So the treatment is done, and what I use in my hair, and I don't use anything else for real, is Design Essentials. So I use their shampoo and their conditioner. The green is what I use. I use that in my hair for my wash and conditioning. And I usually use their leave-in conditioner. And prior to this haircut, that's really all I would do with my hair. I would just do their shampoo, their conditioner, their deep conditioner. And then when I, was done, put their leave-in conditioner, put some oil in my hair, and it was good. When I did this cut though, now that I've been doing wash and goes, I'm using the products that she recommends for my wash and goes. So I'm going to show you those products that I'm using for my curls. It's not for like, hair care or anything, but for my curls. I use first this AG Care leave-in conditioner. I feel like my light is making the camera not pick it up, but so this is the AG leave-in conditioner. The fast food leave-in conditioner, and then I'm using Miel's hair milk. I know y'all saying it's making y'all hair fall out, but it's just the curl milk. Curl milk can't make my hair fall out, all right? I don't know what other products from them y'all using, but it's the only thing I use from them, and I just started using it, and so far I can't tell you that my hair has been falling out still. And then the gel that I'm using is the All About Curls High Definition Gel. So altogether, these is what I'm using for my curls. And I'm not gonna sit here and go through every single thing. I'll just start off with y'all and then maybe fast forward or cut the cameras. Y'all see when it's time for me to diffuse. Alright y'all, it's really early in the morning and your girl has things to do, which I'm gonna vlog, so stay tuned for my next vlog. But if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, especially if you stayed, took down notes and things that you guys are going to do maybe and try on your hair. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a like. Comment below any suggestions you have for me in the comment section. I know in the beginning I did show you guys some of the, either breakage or whatever is going on in my hair, especially the very front of my hair around my edges. If y'all got suggestions, let a girl know. Let me know. What are you guys doing to help with your hair and your scalp? But I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm going to keep on doing the hair videos for you guys. And I am going to be vlogging today, so stay tuned for that in my next post. But I love you guys and see you in the next video.